So name of people. Then academic year. Academic year. So let's come to the next. This semester. This semester ends. You bring your column. Then the next one, next semester begins. So as usual, you merge. You click on merge and center on the home button. Okay, so next semester. Next semester begins. Next semester begins. Next semester begins. Now I want to add the position to that side. Position in class. So let me merge it. Position. Position in class. Position in class. Let me change the off to small. So name of people or name of student, they are the same. Okay, we finished with this side. Let's go to the right side. The right side, we have what you call the row. The row. So we select this cell. We type what? Row. We come to the next. For this one, I'll change it. I'll name here form. Then the next is what? Semester. Bring your column. Then the next is what? Aggregate. So aggregate. Bring your column. Then the next is what? Total score. Total score. Bring your so this is how it should be. Okay, let's continue. Looking at things, we will leave another line. So you leave one line, then you come here. So this is where you start our table. This is where you start our table. So looking at the one that I'm using as a guide, we merged about 4 cells. So you select the 4 cells over here. You click on merge and center. Then we type what? Subject. We type subject. Then the next is what? Class score 50%. So as usual, we merge these 2 cells. Merge and center. Then class score 50%. Class score 50%. Let's apply the test wrap. Don't forget. Okay, please about we should add this one. Looking at things, the source merge was about 3, so we merge and center. Class score, so we merge and center. Exam score 50%. Click on enter. Let's select the cell and we click on test wrap. Then we go to the next. Let's merge these 3 cells downwards. We go to merge and center. Then we type what? Total score 100%. Total score 100%. So we select the cell, we click on wrap tests. Let me check if I'm doing the right thing. Okay. Then the next thing is the grade. So we merge about 3 cells over here. Then we merge and center. Then grade, we type what? Grade. Then we go to position. Let me check. Subject position. So we select these 3 cells. We click on merge and center. Then we type what? Subject position. So as usual, we select it and we apply the wrap test. Don't worry. Then the last one is the remarks. So you select the remaining 2 cells downward. You click on merge and center. Then what? Remarks. So remarks. Apply the test wrap. You center it here. Okay. Now after the heading, what next? These cells are merged, and you type core subject. Then the next cell, what happens? Okay, for this one we just merge it. So we merge, when it come here to we merge, when it come here to we merge. No. Okay, so we merge the next cell. So normally there are 5, so let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 core. Okay, I think it's okay. Let me shift this one. So after it we have what we call elective subject. So that one we merge this, all these cells we merge and center.